Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that in our last class we have completed with unit 6 and today we are going to start our unit 7 and that unit 7 is related to sports. Now in that row we are going to do first page number 21, that is Indian sports stars. Now, Indian sports star means we are not going to discuss about or we are not going to learn about the sports stars which are from other countries. Means in this video we are going to learn about Indian sports stars which belongs to India only. So we are going to learn about different sports stars and the games they were playing and what are the different things related to them. So with that we will start with our first sports star which you can see in your book, that is Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza. Number 1 is Sania Mirza. Now children, a very important thing that what you are supposed to remember. What you are supposed to remember. You have to remember to which game they belongs to. To which game they belongs to. Fine? Like Sania Mirza belongs to which game, that you have to remember. Fine? That much is sufficient. For example, that if I'll take a name of Virat Kohli, so Virat Kohli is associated with cricket. So that is sufficient. Right now he is our Indian cricket team captain. Fine. And earlier we have MS Dhoni and before that we have Rohit Sharma also. So you have to remember the name of the player along with the game they associated with. Now here Sania Mirza is associated with which game? Yes, that is tennis. Sania Mirza is associated with tennis. Now this you have to remember that Sania Mirza is associated with lawn tennis or tennis, both are correct. Lawn tennis से associated है Sania Mirza and she is playing lawn tennis in different tournaments and won so many medals and trophies. Now the next picture is PV Sindhu, again a very huge name in sports, that PV Sindhu. Now the game with which she is associated, that is badminton. Now this much thing is more than sufficient. If you will remember this much thing, like PV Sindhu is associated with badminton, that much is sufficient. Sania Mirza is associated with lawn tennis or tennis only you will remember, then also there is no problem. Sania Mirza is associated with tennis and PV Sindhu is associated with badminton. Now we'll come to number 3, that is Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra, again a huge name in games and won Olympic medal also, and he is associated with which game? He is associated with which game? He is associated with shooting. With shooting and won first Olympic medal on the behalf of shooting for our country. He is one that who won our first Olympic medal in shooting. Fine. Now number 4, Abhinav Bindra, that is associated with shooting. Now next is Virat Kohli. Just now I have taken name of this person. Virat Kohli, our Indian cricket team captain also. So he is associated with cricket. Now in your book it is given in the form of match. So what you will do, you will match, and in the exam it can be asked that Virat Kohli is associated with which game. So you are supposed to tell the game. Now if it will be asked that Abhinav Bindra is associated with which game, then you must be remembering the game. Fine. Now number 5 is Sushil Kumar, and Sushil Kumar is associated with wrestling. Last but not the least, Sushil Kumar is associated with wrestling. After that we have number 6, that is MC Mary Kom. Number 6, that is MC Mary Kom. And with which game she is associated, that is boxing. So you have to remember the name of the player and with which game they are associated. That is quite important. This much you have to remember. Like if I ask that Sania Mirza is associated with which game, so your answer will be tennis, or you can give the answer as a lawn tennis also. You are saying tennis or lawn tennis, both are correct. See, I have written both. Fine. But in your book it is given only tennis, so you will match with tennis only. So Sania Mirza is associated with tennis or lawn tennis. Now PV Sindhu. Remember the name. If you want, you can repeat it with me. When you are watching this video, you keep on repeating it with me. PV Sindhu is associated with badminton. Number 3, Abhinav Bindra is associated with shooting. Number 4, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is associated with cricket. Now Sushil Kumar is a huge name in wrestling. Fine. कुश्ती खेलते हैं ये. Now number 6 is MC Mary Kom. That is boxing. She is associated with boxing and she won 3 times Olympic medal in boxing. So again a huge name in that sports. So today children we are going to do pages related to this Indian sports star only. Now tidbits here is given one tidbit on the same page. The basic rule of Kabaddi were codified in India. See, if somebody will ask that where that Kabaddi game has started, that is started in India only, because what is the basic rule of Kabaddi were codified in India and published in 1923. That what is the basic rule of Kabaddi was codified, means जिसको प्रिपेयर किया गया, किसने प्रिपेयर किया, इंडिया ने प्रिपेयर किया एंड उसको पब्लिश किया इन द ईयर 1923. Now Kabaddi was included in the Asian Games and the first Kabaddi World Cup, that is of standard style, was held in 2004 in Mumbai. Fine. अभी कबड्डी को एशियन गेम्स में भी इंक्लूड कर लिया गया है और फर्स्ट टाइम जो कबड्डी वर्ल्ड कप था दैट वाज प्लेड इन द ईयर 2004 इन मुंबई. सो दीज आर द फ्यू थिंग्स लाइक टिटबिट्स में आपको ये इंपॉर्टेंट है दैट कबड्डी के जो बेसिक रूल थे वो कहाँ बनाए गए, तो वो इंडिया में बनाए गए. इन विच ईयर, दैट इज 1923. एंड एशियन गेम्स में भी कबड्डी को इंक्लूड किया गया. एंड आफ्टर दैट फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप जो था कबड्डी का दैट वाज हेल्ड इन मुंबई इन द ईयर 2004. ऑल द 5 थिंग्स आर क्वाइट इम्पॉर्टेंट. पहला कि जो कोड थे और द रूल्स वर मेड इन इंडिया इन द ईयर 1923, इंक्लूडेड इन एशियन गेम्स. नंबर 4, फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप वॉज हेल्ड इन मुंबई इन द ईयर 2004. ऑल द 5 थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, तो ये आपको अच्छे से टिटबिट्स का लर्न कर लेना है कि बेसिक रूल इंडिया में बना था, 1923 में बना था, एशियन गेम्स में कबड्डी को इंक्लूड किया गया है. उसके बाद फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप जो था कबड्डी का दैट वाज प्लेड इन मुंबई इन द ईयर 2004. ठीक है. नाउ ये 5 चीजें हो गई आपके टिडबिट्स की. दैट इज रिलेटेड टू पेज नंबर 21. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू आवर नेक्स्ट पेज दैट इज related to the sports only. So we'll start that page. We'll start that page, and that page is again related to sports only. See why we were saying that sports are so important. See, if a country want to exist or want to make a position among other rest of the countries, you can find it out in other countries. They were playing once in a week. They were playing the games. But here in our country, we were keep on doing the work. We don't have time to play games and we cannot enjoy it. So that games are an important part of student life as well as one who grow up for them also. So we'll start with the next page. So now our next page is sporty quiz, and I'm going to ask few of the question from you, and we'll do the solution of those question also. So answer the following questions about popular sports. So here you are going to give answers of my questions. That is a part of your sporty quiz, and you will take the answers in your book. Now first one is, how often are the Olympic Games held? How often are the Olympic Games held? Every 2 year, every 4 year, every 5 year. What will be the answer? How often the Olympic game will held? So the correct answer is every B, that is every 4 years. That after every 4th year these Olympic games will be held. Fine, every 4th year. Now number 2, in which city is the Wimbledon tournament held every year? Wimbledon tournament, that is related to lawn tennis. Wimbledon tournament that takes place in London every year. Now here question number 2, the correct answer is C, that is London. Now this Wimbledon tournament is related to lawn tennis. Fine, that is related to lawn tennis. Just now we have done name of one player that is associated with lawn tennis, that is Sania Mirza. Now number 3, how often does the Cricket World Cup takes place? Now again Cricket World Cup also takes place every 4th year. Again the answer is B, every 4 years. Every 4 years means every 4th year it will be held. Fine, that is your Cricket World Cup. Now number 4, which team won the Cricket World Cup in 2015? That was won by number 4. That was won by West Indies. West Indies. Now number 5. What is number 5? Which of the following is not an Olympic sports? Cycling, swimming and squash. Cycling is there in our Olympic sports. Swimming is also there. But C, that is squash, is not there. C, squash is not there. So now we'll do our 6th question. 6th question is what? Who holds the world record for the highest number of Olympic medals in any sports? Usain Bolt, Roger Federer or Michael Phelps? Now Michael Phelps Now Michael Phelps has scored maximum number of medals. Michael Phelps, your correct part is C. Fine. Michael Phelps won highest number of Olympic medal. In fact, these are also athlete Usain Bolt, Roger Federer and Michael Phelps. So the maximum number of medal or Olympic medal won by Michael Phelps. So let's revise these questions once again and then we will do tidbits. First question was, how often are the Olympic Games held? Means after how many years the Olympic Games will held. So Olympic Games will held after every 4 years. Fine? Every fourth year it will be held. Now number 2, in which city is the Wimbledon tournament held every year? So Wimbledon tournament held every year in London, and this Wimbledon tournament is related to lawn tennis. Now number 3 is, how often does the Cricket World Cup take place? It take place every 4 years. Every 4 years this Cricket World Cup took place. Fine. And now the next question is, which team won the Cricket World Cup in 2015? So West Indies won Cricket World Cup in the year 2015. Number 5 is C, squash. Why? This is there that which of the following is not an Olympic sports? So here the options are cycling, swimming and squash. So the correct answer is squash. Squash is not there in Olympic Games. Now number 6 is, who holds the world record for the highest number of Olympic medals in any sports? That is Michael Phelps. And Usain Bolt and Roger Federer are the other name, but the maximum number of medal won by Michael Phelps, and the correct option is C. So now come to tidbits. The Commonwealth Games are held every 4 years. That also you have to remember. Olympic Games also held every 4 years. Then World Cup, that will also held every 4 years. In fact, Commonwealth Games also held every 4th year. Now the first Commonwealth Games were held in Canada in the year 1930. Underline it in your book tidbits that the Commonwealth Games held every 4 years and the first Commonwealth Games were held in 1930 in Canada. So underline in your book and remember this also, because it is very important. Tidbits are very important. You have to go through that tidbits, whichever tidbits have been given in your book. So just revise it, and we are going to do exercises related to every unit also. Like unit 1, we are going to do few of the questions related to unit 1. Unit 2, we have to do that questions related to unit 2. So these questions are very important. You have to go through all those questions. Now we have completed with a sporty quiz. Now here we have one page, that is page number 43. I want to show you that page. In that page, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to write it down. What is the name of that game? And that is a kind of a quiz. That is 43 in your book. And what you are supposed to do it, that is a word game. Fine? Word game, and along with that you have been given with some of the picture also. If you can see. And with this picture you have this crossword also. And you are going to fill this crossword by looking at the picture. Fine? What are the name of the sports that you will fill in this? Fine? So that will be your homework for today. Now we are going to see one more page that is related to sports only, and in that page is related to learning badminton. So here we are going to see different rules of badminton there, and then we will find it out what are the different rules of badminton. So we'll start with that. Learning badminton. Learning badminton, that is your page number 46. So let's start that. Badminton is played. This I am going to erase and I am going to write what are the important points of that learning badminton, that I will write it down on the board. And while learning the badminton, we are going to, what we are going to do? one quiz is also given in your book. That quiz you are going to write it down. Names have been given in that help box. You can take help from that help box and then you will write the name. Fine, so we'll start that. Now badminton is played. I'll write the page number. Learning badminton. Now what are the different rules of badminton that we will see, and this quiz part you will do it yourself. Now what is there? You can see the court of badminton, that a rectangular court you can see. This kind of a rectangular court was formed for that badminton, and in between that one net was put. In between that one net was put, and that net was put in between, and here they have two columns. This kind of a figure they have. Now that was two lines were drawn in between. So now we have a gallery kind of a structure, and here also we have that kind of a structure. That is related to if we are playing in the team. So this kind of a court we have. Now badminton is played with a racket. बैडमिंटन इज प्लेड, तो जो बैडमिंटन होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड रैकेट. जनरली हम जनरल लैंग्वेज में, जनरल भाषा में हम उसको बैडमिंटन ही बोल देते हैं, बट दैट इज नॉट बैडमिंटन. बैडमिंटन इज द नेम ऑफ द गेम. ठीक है, उसको हम बोलते हैं रैकेट. रैकेट एंड द स्पेशल फेदर शटल कॉक. शटल कॉक, इसको भी हम लोग जनरल लैंग्वेज में हम चिड़ी बोल देते हैं, चिड़िया बोल देते हैं. No, that is shuttlecock. Shuttlecock. And जो बैडमिंटन है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रैकेट. Now these two things you have to remember. Now badminton is played with racket and shuttlecock, and a court is specially for playing that badminton. Now it can be played in a court or on a lawn or indoor also. Somewhere we have indoor places also, there we can play. Now it can be played by 2 people or by 4 people. That is very important. It can be played by 2 people, and if we are playing it in a pair, then 4 people. 4 people, and they can be formed group of 2, like 2 players will be there. Now with the different 2 players in each team. Now there is a net in the center of the court that divides the court into half. Now what is there? Now the game starts from where? The game starts from here. That palm starts the game by hitting the palm means here one player is there and player का name हमने लिया है पाम. तो पाम start the game by hitting the, एक player ने यहाँ से hit किया तो वो shuttlecock कहाँ गई? Shuttlecock will goes into other court, और दूसरी वाली साइड पे चला गया. और जो इसकी जो ये होती है, ये जो लाइंस मैंने बताया आपको, that is called side line. साइड लाइन ये क्या बताती है? मार्जिन बताती है कि अब कहाँ तक, वेयर द, इसमें जाने पे बियॉन्ड दिस लाइन यू विल बी डूइंग अ फॉल्ट. ठीक है, फॉल्ट बनेंगे, फाउल होएगा आपका. तो सेंटर लाइन, दिस लाइन डिवाइड्स द कोर्ट इनटू हाफ. सेंटर लाइन तो इसको हाफ में, कोर्ट को हाफ में डिवाइड करती है, बट अगर आप इधर से इधर आते हैं देन इट विल बी फाउल. फाइन. एंड बैक बाउंड्री इज दिस मार्क द एंड ऑफ द प्लेइंग एरिया. बैक बाउंड्री क्या बताती है कि यहाँ पे एरिया खत्म हो गया है, एंड लॉन्ग सर्विस करने के लिए प्लेयर वहां पे जा सकता है फॉर सिंगल मैचेस. नाउ एंड व्हाट नेक्स्ट इज देयर, लाइक लॉन्ग सर्विस लाइन इज ऑल्सो देयर इन डबल मैचेस. द सर्वर विल नॉट गो बियॉन्ड दिस लाइन. ये लाइन के बाहर पे हम नहीं जाते हैं. ठीक है. Now these are the few of the important thing that is related to badminton. ये कोर्ट है, कोर्ट में साइड लाइन होती है, साइड लाइन में जाने पे उसका फाउल हो जाता है, और सर्विस एरिया आपका यहाँ पे ही होता है। लॉन्ग सर्विस देनी है तो हमें पीछे जाना पड़ेगा, वहां से हम, लेकिन पूरे गेम में एक बार ही हम यहाँ से लॉन्ग सर्विस कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज वी हैव टू स्टे हेयर इन दिस मिडल पार्ट ऑफ दिस कोर्ट एंड वी हैव टू प्ले द गेम फ्रॉम हेयर ओनली। साइड लाइन पे आए तो हमारा फाउल होएगा, ठीक है। अभी एंड वी आर प्लेइंग इट विद रैकेट एंड शटलकॉक, 2 या 4 पीपल खेल सकते हैं। 4 पीपल जब खेलते हैं देन वी हैव 2 पीपल इन अ ग्रुप। अभी टिटबिट्स करेंगे, दैट इज क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट। अच्छा, और अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने यहाँ से शटलकॉक को पुश फेंका दूसरी तरफ और दूसरा वाला पर्सन नहीं उसको हिट कर पाता है, तो वो दूसरे वाले पर्सन का 0 हो जाएगा, फाउल हो जाएगा, एंड 1 पॉइंट उसको मिल जाएगा जिसने सर्विस किया था। अच्छा, और इसमें क्या होता है, व्हाट इज देयर कि जो बैडमिंटन से हिट करते हैं हम, जब बैडमिंटन रैकेट से जब हिट करते हैं शटलकॉक को, दैट इज कॉल्ड सर्विस। ये भी याद रखना है, शटलकॉक से जब हम हिट करते हैं तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, सर्विस। क्या बोलेंगे उसको, सर्विस। फाइन। अभी नेक्स्ट टिटबिट्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बैडमिंटन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ओलंपिक गेम्स, दैट वी ऑल अवेयर ऑफ इट। अभी हमने किया, बैडमिंटन जो है आपके ओलंपिक गेम्स का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। थॉमस कप एंड उबर कप आर द अदर फेमस बैडमिंटन कॉम्पिटिशन। नॉट ओनली दैट बैडमिंटन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ओलंपिक गेम, सिर्फ ओलंपिक गेम का ही बैडमिंटन पार्ट नहीं है। अदर थॉमस कप एंड उबर कप आर द डिफरेंट टूर्नामेंट जो बैडमिंटन के लिए होते हैं ये कॉम्पिटिशन्स। तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर आपसे पूछा जाता है कि थॉमस कप और उबर कप इज मेनली फॉर विच गेम, देन यू विल गिव द आंसर दैट बैडमिंटन। So now what is next, that badminton is derived, you will underline this tidbits, दोनों tidbits आपके पूरे पेज पे 2 tidbits were there and both are important. Now second tidbits is badminton is derived directly from a game that is known as Puna, which was played by British army officer stationed there in the year 1860s. 1860 में जब हमारी कंट्री पे ब्रिटिशर्स वर रूलिंग अस, उस टाइम पे वो एक गेम खेलते थे। द नेम ऑफ दैट गेम इज पूना, एंड दैट फ्रॉम दैट गेम ओनली, वो पूना जो गेम थी, फ्रॉम दैट गेम ओनली दिस बैडमिंटन इज डिराइव्ड। और 1860 में दे वर प्लेइंग दैट गेम, तो वहां से हमने 1860 से ये गेम को लेके एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग इट। नाउ ह्यूज नेम इन द field of badminton, that is PV Sindhu, Sania Nehwal, and then Shrikant, Kidambi and Jwala Katta. So these are few of the names. ये मैंने कुछ नेम बताए आपको that is related to badminton. And आपको क्या है, आपकी बुक में 4 pictures have been given. आपको हेल्प बॉक्स की मदद लेनी है। You can take help from your help box which is given in your book and you will write their name in your book. ये देखो, ये है pictures. See, now these 2 I'll tell you, PV Sindhu and who else is this, Saina Nehwal. 2 huge name, 2 Indian player, very huge name. Rest 2 are also Indian. ये भी दोनों बहुत important है, ज्वाला गट्टा and Shrikant Kidambi. Shrikant Kidambi. These 2 names are also important. So children, these names you will write it in your book. So today we have done lot many things related to sports and I hope you all have enjoyed doing all these things related to sports. We have learned different players related to different sports, like we have done Virat Kohli is associated with cricket. See, name of the player along with that game he or she is associated, that is very important, that you will learn. Now page number 43 which I have given you as a homework, 43 पेज पे क्या करेंगे, word game है and you will write the correct name of that sports. Fine. And 46 में what you will do, and learning badminton में different badminton players were there, that you will learn. So now we'll finish our class here. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.